we are rolling here. We, after 24 hours of being shut down, empty restrictions and just an all-out commercial vehicle ban out here in Pennsylvania, we're finally able to roll. They got all this, they just lifted this ban on 78 maybe 45 minutes ago, and it's like, I wonder how long it's been clear like this. But either way, we're finally rolling. Just hung out at the truck stop. You know, that's really about nothing exciting going on there. A lot of CB chatter, a lot of parking crap going on, so everybody trying to find somewhere to park. But yeah, I passed one truck earlier, a FedEx truck, and it's his trailer, like the nose of his trailer, so his truck and trailer down in the ditch, and it's a good, like, it's way down there. Hopefully he made it out of there all right. I don't know what's going on with Western Express here. Maybe he's hit a slick spot, I don't know. But. So yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. Before we get too far, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button and that bell. Like this video if you haven't already. Definitely, if you like it or you don't like it, either way, let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just lets me know you've seen it. Drop a comment. That always helps out the channel. Share it too, please. Thank you. So we're headed up to Topton, Pennsylvania up here. Picked up out of here before. Hazmat, batteries, East Penn. I think it's going to be a live load. I'm not sure. That might have been preloaded already. But either way, we're going to get up here and get our load. I got my refrigerator took a crap on me. It just stopped. The compressor stopped working. I thought it was a relay, so I tried to bypass the relay and like just jump start the compressor to make sure that it wasn't the compressor, and it wouldn't start. So I was able to find a Walmart and swing in and pick that up. So I picked a new one up, different brand this time, and yeah, it's a little nicer. I like this one a lot better than the old one. I'll show you guys that later on. This one's actually an Energy Star, so it uses less power than the old one I had, which is nice. I definitely like that. Other than that, just been hanging out in the snow, trying to keep my tushy warm. I'm using a lot of gas for the generator, but I want to get one of those Webasto heater, Webasto, whatever they're called, the little bunk heaters. I'm gonna get one. I used to have one, and it stopped working, so I got rid of it a long time ago. So I don't want to hear crap about it. Probably could have fixed it, but I got rid of it. I still have the fuel pump for it and the lines and all that, but I've seen them on Amazon for like 165 bucks. You get a whole kit, everything you need, like a module, LED screen, whatever, display to, you know, turn it on, the temperature and all that kind of stuff. So I definitely want to look into that. I want to check out some reviews on it. That's a whole lot cheaper than going through like the dealer and buying one of the name brand Webasto heaters, whatever they are. So yeah, I mean, 165 bucks, plus it's on Amazon, and then you got their guarantee. So if I don't like it or if it doesn't work, I can always send it back. But I got to figure out where I'm going to put it. I think I'm going to put it under either behind my passenger seat right there, or underneath my couch, and I'll create an intake for it. I like some intake piping to go into the back of the heater, and then I'll cut a hole in the underneath the couch on the box end there, so the heater sticks out, But that all, well, we'll see that. See if that's what I'm gonna do. I might get it and go, you know, a completely different route. But yeah. So trying to get back down south. Have a family emergency I'm trying to get down to. We might talk about that. I don't know. It's not my place. So we'll see. Just if you guys don't mind, prayers and thoughts and all that for my wife and her family and my kids. That's been a struggle, but we'll try and keep moving forward, you know. But anywho, yeah, we're gonna pick this up and get down to Georgia. So enough of me rambling on. I will catch up with you guys here in a bit. So my agent just called me and said he's been hounding me since the shutdown, since everything's been shut down. So when are you gonna roll? They really want this picked up. I'm like, look, man, there's nothing I can legally do. Pennsylvania PennDOT said shut it down, no empty trucks, and then it went to all commercial vehicles are banned. They finally lifted all that, so that's why I'm on the road. And then he just called me again to figure out where I'm at, and he's asking me to send him pictures to prove of what I'm saying. And he's like, well, the customer says that they want proof of what's going on because they think we're lying. And I'm like, I asked him, I said, what do you mean the customer? Like the ones in Pennsylvania where I'm picking this up, or the ones in Georgia where it's going to? You said, no, the ones in Topton want proof of what's going on. What the hell do you mean they want proof? They're in Pennsylvania. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, so I told him no. I said, I'm not going to send you pictures. You can get on the Weather Channel. You can look at Pennsylvania 511, whatever you want to look at, and you can see all of this shit that's been going on. Who in this country is not aware of this freaking snowstorm? Especially if you're in freaking Pennsylvania. It's just like, seriously? Crap's just frustrating. It's insane. Somebody said something about a plow truck up here tangled up with a couple big trucks. I'm not stopping. You don't have to keep waving me on. I see you want me to keep going. I'm aware of that. I don't know what you're waving me on for. I'm not stopping. Good job. Just going slow. Sheesh. So we got 40 miles left till we get up here. Deal with all this crap. meantime, the agent has been screaming at me, telling me to hurry up and get there. But nobody's even there. So it's frustrating, but I finally got loaded. I got out of there about, I don't know, 45 minutes ago. I got 16,000 pounds in the box. The crappy thing is that it's on my drives, like it's all in the front of the trailer. 8 pallets of batteries. So, you know, that there was one spot back there that's, you know, with the wind blowing over the road, blowing the snow over, there was a little slick. Other than that, I'm doing just under 50 mile an hour. I'm going a little slower than normal just because of the wind. The wind is really heavy. And it's a little dicey. I don't like it. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Excuse me. Well, you guys see the snow being blown around. The wind is just fierce right here. Like I literally have to counter steer the wind. It's crazy to me. So I'm down here in Virginia, and I got to thinking about the agent that kept hounding me about my about wanting proof and stuff like that. So it crossed my mind, obviously, since there was nobody there at the shipper at Topton at East Penn Manufacturing, there's nobody there to even load the trailers. They are 100% aware of what's going on in Pennsylvania, because the employees didn't even make it in, so obviously the trucks aren't going to make it in. It's the agent that wants the proof. He didn't believe me. He's down in San Antonio, or at least that's where his agency is out of. He's got a San Antonio phone number. So I personally believe, as much as the agent was like, no, I believe you, I understand, yeah, you can only do what you gotta do, safety first, blah, blah, blah. He's the one that wanted proof. I fully believe that. I mean, like I've said before, who doesn't know about the storm that's going on in Pennsylvania? It's kind of wild to think that the customer in Pennsylvania is like, why aren't the trucks here? Blah, 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 what's taking so long? Oh well. You guys are probably wondering what's going on with the family. I did talk to my wife, so she said it's okay to kind of let you guys know. My wife's mother passed away on last Saturday. I think that was the 30th. I believe it's the 30th. But she passed away in the morning, and she's only 65. So now my wife basically is, she came into her 20s with both parents, and she's leaving her 20s because she turns 30 in April. So she's leaving her 20s with no parents, and that's obviously hard to deal with. I don't like talking about this kind of stuff because I don't want it to seem like I want pity, or my family wants pity or anything like that. We're just trying to be as real as possible with you guys, you know, with what's going on out here, what we're doing, how life is for us, the good, bad, and the ugly. And you know, unfortunately, in this world, we lose the ones we love, and you know, and it's just crappy to think about, but we have to keep moving forward. Nobody wants to do that. It's hard to do. What are you doing there, box truck? Box truck here that's pulled over on the shoulder. that I wasn't even home. Told my wife and my kids whenever she got the news. But unfortunately, that's how it goes. So, yeah, that's what's going on with her, with our family. So please, you know, thoughts, prayers, always appreciated. I will leave a link to her mother's obituary in the description. So if you guys would like to send flowers or anything like that to the funeral, that would be amazing. I'm not asking you guys to do that, but if you guys would like to, you know, that's fine. But yeah, I'm gonna get down here. I reckon I will see you guys on the next one. Y'all don't have too much fun out there. Love one another. Please give your loved ones hugs and kisses. You know, let them know you love them. You never know when it's going to be your last. And y'all stay safe out there.